Hello, everyone. I am Tatiana, and welcome to Infinite Gist. So, today we'll talk about unraveling the enigmatic world of dream meanings, and we'll try to decode the hidden messages from your subconscious mind. Now, let's get started. Ready, steady, and here we go. So, what do the dream mean? Have you ever woken up from a dream so strange, so vivid that you couldn't shake it all day? Was it nonsense or a message? What if your dreams are encrypted letters from the deepest paths of your subconscious? Let's talk about it. And what science says about dreams. Neuroscientists agree because most dreaming happens during so-called rapid eye movement sleep. But even today, they can't fully explain why we dream. And theories range from mental housekeeping to emotional problem solving and even memory sorting. But there are three leading scientific theories, and let's talk about them. So, the first theory is action synthesis, brain trying to make sense of random signals. Number two, emotional processing, stress relief, and trauma integration. And number three, threat simulation theory, dreams help us mentally rehearse survival. You know that dreams speak in metaphors, so here are 10 of the most common ones and what they may actually mean. So the first one is falling, loss of control or fear of failure. Number two, being chased, avoidance or fear of confrontation. Number three, flying, freedom, ambition, or escapism. Let's go ahead. And number four, losing teeth, anxiety about powerlessness or aging. Naked in public. Number five, vulnerability or shame. Water, emotional states. Number seven, houses, the self. So different rooms, different aspects of personality. Snakes. Snakes mean danger, transformation, or healing. Babies. Number nine, new beginning, innocence or responsibilities. And the last one, and the 10th one, is death. Not literal death, just often a new chapter. And across civilizations, dreams have been sacred. For example, ancient Egypt. Dreams were divine prophecies, and pharaohs had dreams interpreters. Greek culture. Dreams came from gods, with temples built for dream incubation. And Islamic traditions, dreams are divided into three categories. If I would say so, three categories, letter B. So true dreams, so-called true dreams, satanic dreams, and some generated ones. So three categories, One more example, indigenous tribes, dreams guide life decisions and spiritual paths. Now it's high time to talk about lucid dreaming. How can your dream world? Lucid dreaming is when you realize you are dreaming while dreaming. With the practice, you can fly, explore worlds, talk to your subconscious, even rehearse real life challenges. But how to start lucid dreaming? Reality checks. Just try to pinch your nose. Can you still breathe? Dream journals. Write daily to increase dream recall. Mnemonic induction. Repeat. I will realize I am dreaming before sleep. And wake back to bed. Wake at 5 a.m. Stay awake briefly and then Go back to sleep. And what about some interesting examples, some real life stories of dream predictions or an inspiration? So, let's talk about the most interesting real life stories of dream predictions and inspiration, because history is filled with dreams that shaped the world. Paul McCartney dreamed the melody for Yesterday. Dmitry Mendeleev saw the periodic table in a dream. Abraham Lincoln dreamed of his own assassination days before it happened, and Mary Shelley wrote Frankenstein based on a haunting dream. But how to decode your own dreams? A step-by-step guide. So, want to understand your dreams? Try this 5-step decoding method. Write immediately. Capture details right after waking. Highlighted emotions. How did you feel during the dream? Identify symbols. Look beyond the literal. Reflect on life context. What's going on in your real life? And track patterns, recurrent dreams, unresolved themes. Over time, you'll notice that your dreams are more consistent and personal than you think. So, you dream every night. Most of the time, you forget. But what if you started paying attention? What if every night became a chance to understand yourself, to heal, to create? Your dreams are speaking. Are you ready to listen? So, like, if you've ever had a dream that changed you, share your wildest or most confusing dream in the comments and subscribe for more deep dives into the human mind. So, stay tuned for more updates and insights. Thanks for watching us. Subscribe to Infinite Gist. I'm Tatiana and we'll see you next time.